Hey everyone. Uh, in this video, I'll show you how to set up a Discord server backup and restore system the right way. Yeah, if you've ever worried about losing your channels, roles, or settings, this setup will help you recover everything quickly because honestly, one mistake or a raid can mess up your entire server in seconds. So first, understand what a backup actually includes. Uh, Most backup systems can save your server structure like channels, categories, roles, and permissions, but not always messages, so keep that in mind before you start. Next, add a trusted backup bot like Xenon. Yeah, once you invite it to your server, you can create a full backup with a simple command, and it will store your entire setup safely. After that, schedule regular backups. Uh, don't just do it once because your server changes over time. Set up automatic backups daily or weekly so you always have a recent version ready. Also, protect your backup access. Yeah, only give restore permissions to trusted admins because anyone with access can overwrite your entire server setup. And yeah, when something goes wrong, you can quickly restore your server using the saved backup. So within minutes, your channels, roles, and structure will be back exactly how they were. Finally, always test your backups at least once. Most of the time, this ensures everything works perfectly when you actually need it. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.